Find the quotient of 3 exponent 5 minus 4 exponent 3 plus 2 exponent 2 minus 36 plus 48 divided by exponent 3 minus 2 exponent 2 plus 6. So what is the problem all about? What is the topic are we talking? Can you analyze where could we relate this subject? So this problem, find the quotient. It means this is not a simply factorization, not properties of radicals, not theorems of inequalities, an index law. But you could tell this division of polynomials. What is division of polynomials? By carrying out the division of polynomials is no different in principle to numerical division. So we could apply rules this problem which is common to numerical meaning numbers. By rewriting and completing the data, pause and analyze before you start. You could see that there is the presence of variables x raised to 5, x raised to 3, x raised to 2 and x. Thus, first x to the power of 3 divided by 3x raised to 5 is equal to what? 3 because of 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, does independent variables. Independent variable 3x raised to 5 where 5 should minus by 3 because of the division rules that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Writing x raised to the power of 2 will be the quotient. The independent variable 3x raised to the power of 2 is our first quotient. Next is to multiply the quotient to the divisor raised to 3 2x raised 2 plus 6. 3x raised to 3 multiply to divisor x raised to 3 and add the exponent because of the multiplication rules. The answer put it aligned to the dividend with the corresponding exponent for easily visualize and understood. Multiply again the second divisor, 2x raised to 2 and put a line with the dividend. 3x raised to 2 multiplied by dash 2x raised to 2 is equal to 6x raised to 4. Copy negative sign, negative 6x raised to 4. Next is multiply 3x raised to 2 by 6 and the answer is positive 18x raised to 2. Align with the dividend, then use the subtraction process and bring down the answer with the descending order of exponent. Bring down negative 6x raised to 4. Bring down negative for x raised to 3. And bring down negative 16x raised to 2, negative 18 because negative from left times negative of 18 which is greater than 2. Remember that 18x raised to 2 is larger. Thus we carry out the sign negative. Don't forget about that. Next, bring down positive 36x. And stop at 36x for the division again. Just repeat like from the first approach. Divide 1x raised to 3 by 6x raised to 4. Remember that positive x raised to 3 divide positive 6 raised to 4 is equal to positive sign. The answer is positive 6x. Always remember that in division exponents will be minus. That's why it come up as 6x. After that, multiply the quotient to the divisor to get the dividend. 6x multiplied to x raised to 3 is equal to 6x raised to 4. Don't forget that exponent x has one exponent add to exponent 3, thus result is 4. Next, multiply 6x by negative 2x raised to 2 is equal to 12x raised to 3. Followed by 6x multiplied to 6 is equal to 36x and bring down 48. You can see that there will be already cancellation or 0 by simply looking at 6x raised to 4. While the positive 12x raised to 3 will be equal to negative 8x raised to 3. Subtract all the given data. Negative 8x raised to 3, copy negative 16x raised to 2. The 36x will be cancel. And bring down last constant, which is 48. Look closely to the independent variables. Repeat process. Divide x with 8x raised to 3 minus 16x raised to 2 and positive 48. One divide 8 is equal to 8. Thus 8x raised to 3. Next, multiply 8 by negative 2x raised to 2. The answer is negative 16x raised to 2. After that, the constant 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. Then, use subtraction process. Then, use subtraction. By simply looking at it. 8x raised to 3 is minus, by 8x raised to 3 the answer is 0. 16x raised to 2 subtract by 16x raised to 2 is obviously 0, then constant 48 minus 48 is 0. The quotient is 3x exponent 2 plus 6x plus 8.